How to fix a warped silicone mold. You don't. You buy better ones. Hey guys, welcome back. What was it? 3 or 4 videos ago, I made dominoes and the mold was warped and I tossed it. So that very day I ordered a new mold. This is from Resin. I like this mold a lot better. Number one, it seems more stable, probably because it's 2 separate pieces. But it also, like, the walls are thicker. It just seems like it's going to be a better mold. It's also sitting completely flat, unlike the last one. So I'm going to try dominoes again. I'm going to make them black. And this time, instead of adding mica powder, because I did not care for the way... I have some of them right here. I did not care for the color of these. They were supposed to be black with like a little bit of shimmer to them, and they just turned out kind of this pukey gold black color. Anyway, I'm going to instead use some holographic glitter in it. Not much. I don't want much sparkle. I just want a little something in there, you know. And then I'm going to fill the dominoes with silver alcohol ink. So that's the plan. That's what I'm going to do today. Stick around. Enjoy it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And it makes me feel good. And you want to make me feel good, right? You want to make me happy? That would make me very happy. If you don't want to make me happy, give it a thumbs down. That's still engagement. And I appreciate it. Alright guys, stick around. I'm going to get the stuff mixed up. We'll pour it in and we'll be back once we're done. Okay guys, so this is mixed up, but I'm gonna let this sit for a while so that when I pour it, the glitter doesn't just immediately fall to the top of the dominoes. So I'm just gonna let this sit and thicken up just a bit. It's already pretty thick. I had it in front of the heater for quite a while before mixing it, so it's you know, it's not warm by any means right now, but this will not take long to heat up because it is such a deep pour. I currently have 350 milliliters in here. I measured these out. These each take 150 milliliters. So I do have some extra in here. I always pour or make extra. Sometimes unintentionally too much extra, but I always make sure that when I'm mixing my resin for a specific mold that I do make a little bit of extra, so that way if there's any spillages or if the water calculations weren't correct, that kind of thing. Anyway, I'm going to let this set up and then I will press record again when I'm ready to pour, and I'm going to put my mask back on because resin is extremely bad for your health. So if you're a resin crafter, please, 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 you know, take this stuff seriously because you do not want your lungs to inhale this stuff. Anyway, I'm talking too much. All right, hang tight. Alright guys, these are poured. It's definitely getting warm, so I'm glad that I decided to pour when I did. I'm going to move these aside, get on to a different project, and stick around for the unmolding and the adding of the dots. Alright, hopefully they turn out way better than the last ones. Stick with me. Alright guys, these are all nice and cured up. I'm so excited to see what they look like. So let's go ahead and unmold these. And then I've brought out the silver alcohol ink to do the dots in. Oh, these are really pretty. Wow. Just look at that glitter. They're not completely cured because it's so cold down here in the basement right now. Because even though we had like a week and a half of 60 and 70 degrees, we just had 2 days of like 40s. Sorry if you heard that. My computer was shutting down. But man, are these gorgeous or what? Here, I'll hold one up. Like, look at that. How cool. And it's a great size. The glitter did kind of fall to the surface, but I'm actually super glad that I poured it when I did, because yeah, it's getting right thick, like me. Wow, these are so pretty. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to use, like I said, this is the Canted Silver Alcohol Ink. This is the Pinata color. You can see just how much you have to shake it up in order to mix in the color. Because I just barely shook that. Let me show you the gold one, and I'll try and be ginger with it. Like, there's barely any actual pigment in it. It's mostly alcohol. So that's why you want to shake it real good. Now my plan here is to just, whoa, not that much. Not that much. Alright guys, sorry about that. I don't know where the camera cut off. But anyway, I was talking about the alcohol ink. There was some overflow. This thing is not very good for precision work. Which kind of sucks because the next video I'm going to be using it on a Ouija board. And who knows if that'll work out. We shall see. But anyway, the good thing about it is because it is alcohol ink, I can choose alcohol, hopefully, to clean up some of the overspill. But I think these turned out fantastic. I absolutely adore them. Let me see. Yeah, there you go. So, yeah. I'm happy. I'm extremely happy with these molds in comparison to the other mold. So, yeah, that's it for today. Thank you guys again so much for watching. If you enjoy content like this, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the sister out. And, yeah. Thanks so much for watching, and take care.